In this video, we are going to look at how to add a datum notation to the datum of the profile view, like here. So this is how to do that. Currently, my screen is like this. I have this profile view and I have a title for the profile view at the left. So I'll move this left title up to here so that it shows as datum. So to do that, I select the profile view, go to edit profile view style. So if you want to do it in a new style, you can go to copy style option, but I am going to edit the current style. Then go to title annotation tab. So you have to make sure that you have selected the left title. So if it is not displaying currently, you have to go to display tab and you have to turn on this left axis title. So I move back to title annotation. So it is giving me as elevation. So now I am going to change the name here. So it should be datum. So it is datum. So I click OK. Then I'll click apply. Now you will see it is datum now. I have to make it this side, so I have to rotate it 90 degrees. Currently it is rotated to 90 degrees, so original rotation should be 0. So I apply. Now it comes here. Now I have to move this text all the way down here. So currently the y offset is 0. That means to go down you need to make it minus. So let's say it is minus 50 and it goes here. If it is too far down, you can make it like minus 49. So now it is little bit up. So if you want to make it to the left, you can use this option, minus 26, let's say. Now it looks perfect. So if you want to change this text height, you can use this option, 2.5. It will become smaller. And if you want to change the text style, still you can do that. So that is how to set a datum text for your profile view in Civil 3D. And one more thing, if you want to retain this left axis title as it is, another thing you can do it, you can go to bottom or wherever the title you don't use and make it to this place. So that is another way if you want to retain this left title as it is. So that is how to have a datum title onto your profile view.